Hey, how's everybody doing? Spike here. I'm in the office now and I'm headed out into the shop out there. I got the propane heater running and, well, it's raining a little bit, so it may be a little noisy. We got to just listen to the noise. But hey, we're going to go out there and we're going to work on my dust tower. So that's the first project on my list. I got to get them off the list, and so we're going to start there. So hey, let's go get on this dust tower. I got stuff laid out to kind of work on it. Let's get started. We're going to engineer a dust tower. And it's going to be a way to collect the dust out of the room here and catch it in filters and then put the air back down on the floor. My idea was to put it up against the wall, frame it up, put it up that way, and then bring it out at the top. But right now I need it portable where I can move it around till I get done readjusting the shop. So this is probably temporary unless I really like it. But this is what I'm going to do for the dust tower. So y'all watch this close. I'm going to take this fan that come out of a Jenn Aire stove, mounted on one of these $7.99 Harbor Freight roly-dolies, kind of down here like this. And then I've got tomato cages that you grow your tomatoes in that I'm going to fit over the top of this like this. Okay? Now, I'm going to take that air hose out right there and run it out, but I'm going to cover all the rest of this where the air is going to pull in and go down this hole with filter material. And I'm going to wrap it around like this and put it on with tie wire. And then when it gets dirty, take it off, wash it, put it back on. We're going to see how it works. I'm going to get busy building it, and it's just a general idea how it's going to happen, and we'll just go from there. This is a Frugal Fixer special out of stuff we found in the scrapyard. And I went to Lowe's and bought some filters. So hey, let's get it done and see how it comes out. Y'all hang out, let's go. Okay guys, first part of this project is we got to get this fan mounted on here, where it's on here and going downflow like that, so we can start from there and then build our filter cage on top of here where everything comes in. Put some power to it, test it one more time before we go any further. Oh yeah, that's gonna work. We gotta figure out a way to mount this to where it'll sit right nice and solid. You know, the lower the better. Let's do that, okay? Let's see what we got going here. So we're gonna take out a little bit of this right here. Yep, we're gonna do that right there. And see if that gives us what we want. This is probably the handiest thing to do this with. Be kind of aggravating on a bandsaw. I'd have to take the darn thing apart and get a nice Oh yeah. Now we're looking at something that'll work. Look at that, guys. I like that. After just a little adjustment right here, I was able to get this thing to come down here and sit real good down inside, all the way in the frame. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to put a strap around here and strap it, and then we'll go from there and get another one on it somewhere. So now we're back in there where I want to be. See? That's where I want to be with that. And we'll bring the wire back out somewhere else. Let's put this here. This here is what you call a perforated metal. Make a strap any size, any length you want it with this stuff, dudes. Roll that over across there. I got some more lights coming, guys, so y'all bear with the lighting situation. Now we're going to pull that back and we're going to do that, and we want to go, I want to be about that hole right there. That means I want to break it off. I want to cut it right here, and I didn't bring my snips out, so let me just cut it right quick. I don't think it even needs anything else, to be honest. It ain't going nowhere. I mean, look, I'm picking it up by the frame. So, hey, that's good. Now, we'll live with that. I don't see, because it's locked in here tight. That's got it. It ain't going anywhere. So, yeah, I'm locking it. What we got next is this. We need to get this on here. No, God, I'm thinking that might work right there. So watch. Make another one of these right quick. Just so y'all know, this is the Frugal Fixer method of doing things. Turn around here and get us one on this side, on the far side. We'll work with that. Okay, let's move over to the other side and start connecting this and this together where it's a little better height to work with. Okay, I'm back. Next thing we're going to use is some tie wire. We'll start down toward the bottom, I think. Twist this to here. Get this kind of lined up. Pretty darn sweet. Now let's just go with it. Okay. Starting to look there and start to come around. Okay. It's time to put some filter on the top of this thing. And a few more wire ties around here to tighten things up so they don't move on me. So I'm going to add a few more wire ties, and then we're going to start up this thing with some filter material. Okay, now we're going to take one of these 3M washable filters and figure out a way we want to put it on here so we can put them on matching up as we go up. So we're going to start with something like, I don't know, maybe pulling around to there. Y'all seeing how much forethought I gave this part, huh? I made sure I had enough to go around it, that's all I did. Let's see what this is. If we started there and come around like that, that would get us from there to there pretty much with a good layer. I got it. Now, so our best bet's going to be going this way. And we'll start at this pin right here. And then we'll come around here and we will bring this down here and tie it around that bottom like that. I'm thinking if I take this stuff and do this right here, make me a tie that goes like this, and then give it a twist over itself, get it locked, and fold that one back and leave that one poking out. Just take that and go and fold it. Okay, I'm covering this thing up. I got it around this side, all on there pretty good. I'm going to go ahead and put a piece on this side, but I got to cut out for this. So it's going to be about right there. Looks like I can make that work with a good seam and a good seam. So let's go right here. We'll just make a split for now. See where that goes. That ain't too bad. That ain't too bad, folks. So we're going to pull these out like this. Same way you do if you was going to change the filter. Just do that and fold it. And that one there and fold that. Okay, now put that right above the pipe where I want it. I think I want to make a tie to go right there like that. Make that go back. Filter that to there. We'll take a little bit out of this inside corner right here first. Make this a little easier to work with. gonna fit that. Go right around. Leave that tab long. I'm gonna give it just a little twist. Not too much because I don't want it to grab it. I want it to slide when I start screwing it in. And we're gonna reach down right here. Y'all see that spot right there? That's sticking out too much. I left too much right there. Now I'm going to bring this and put it right on top of that. Fold it down to lock it. Got that side locked in. Let's do one on this side. That right there probably long enough. Alright. Now, we're just going to put that poker right here. We're just going to make a little hook. Take it and drop it in right there like that. And then that. The one right here. That one on there. This is just sticking on here so I can turn this out anywhere I want to for now. So we'll stick it like that for now. Okay, let's take it over here on the floor where I can work a little better on that next level because this done got too far for me to reach. Probably go back this direction for the top because it's wider. So we're just going to start right here on the top. Make sure we got enough to reach. Y'all see Gumby or Snuffleupagus or whatever we call it? You see all this stuff on it right here? Watch this. You ready? It's already picking up dust and starting to stick to it. So the Snuffleupagus is snuffleupagus and dirt and dust. So hey, we get it.